Welcome back to our channel, Tech World Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be helping you guys how you guys can reactivate your account if your Instagram account was deactivated for like nothing. So if your account was falsely accused and was deactivated, then you can watch this video to reactivate it again. But if your Instagram account was deactivated for you violating the community guidelines, then this is not going to work. This is for those people whose account got deactivated for doing nothing right. So for that step, which I'm going to be showing you, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. Let's move on. First step, you want to come to this website help.instagram.com/contact/606967319425038. So what exactly comes to this website now? I can go to like Google and search for you guys, but it's gonna take a long time, and like most people can't even find this page. So I'm just going to say it straight over here, help. Instagram.com/contact/60696731942,503. You can also pause the video, tap it on his screen, and it will bring you over here. Once you're over here where it says full name, write your full name, your legal name. Do not write my name and your email. Over here you need to write the email which is associated with your Instagram. Alright, so basically you need to enter the email which is linked with your Instagram. And over here you need to write your Instagram username, and if it created your Instagram using like your mobile number, not email, then you need to enter the mobile number which is linked with your Instagram. Alright, and over here you need to write exactly what I write over here. My lawyer has read the terms and service and claims I haven't violated anything. Please reactivate it, which given at the bottom. Do not write it, which given write your Instagram username. Alright, and click on send. And what this is going to do is, since you wrote my lawyer has read the terms and service, Instagram will try to look into your complaint first, because now it's gone into Laura, and Instagram is going to think, alright, this person might have a little important accounts. They'll try to move your request forward and other people, and they'll try to view it, and they'll try to help you as soon as they can, right? So once you do that, the other page you want to come to is help. Instagram.com/1,652,567,838,289,083. As well, you can pause the video and hit that on the screen. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're in this page, you want to choose no. If you choose yes, then they're going to think you have a business account, and it's going to be a long process. So make sure you choose no. Alright, and over here write your full legal name, and over here write to username. And over here write your email which is linked with your Instagram account. And over here you need to choose from which country you are. If you choose us, it's going to make your process faster. But if you don't want to, you don't have to as well. Alright, and click on send. After you do that, what you want to do is the last step is you want to come to your email or your Gmail. So this is my mail which is linked with my Instagram account. Alright, so over here you want to write support at Instagram.com email, so make sure it's support at Instagram.com, and the heading should be Instagram reactivation request. And over here you want to write my Instagram account was disabled for violation of TOS, which means terms of service by law, has read the terms and service and claims I haven't violated anything. Please reactivate, and which are given over here. You need to add your username and click consent. This is going to be sent to Instagram. They're going to view it and they'll help you recover your account as well. Alright? So that's basically what you guys need to do in order to recover your account or like reactivate your account. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.